Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Today is March 17th. Here I'm making a video to show our seawater flake ice evaporators. Here we have a 3 set of a 3 ton per day capacity seawater flake ice evaporator here, and 7 set of a 5 ton per day capacity 5 ton per day capacity seawater flake ice evaporators. 7 set. All the evaporators are for the same customer. Now let me show the details of the evaporators. First of all, everything in touch with the water and the ice are made of a stainless steel 316. Like the top, the bottom, the cover, the steel frame, the bottom frame, the water tank, the inlet water valves, even these materials, like the inlet water valve. This is the example. This is the sample. You see, bit of a stainless steel 316. So it's completely anti-corrosive in marine condition. Oh, I must mention, all the screws like this, all the screws we use stainless steel 316. And you can see there is a number here, A4, A4, A4. Yeah, A4. And this one, you can also see the A4. That is the number for stainless steel 316. For all the ice generator, we can see the evaporator are located on a higher level than the water tank. Okay, see, the water tank is located. This is the water tank. It's located on a lower level than the ice generator. So no water will stay in the bottom. All the water will go down into the tank and stay in the tank. So no matter how much the boat shake or tilt, the water will always stay in the tank, and no water will enter the ice room. This is a special design for marine use seawater ice making machine.